Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, ex-Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia and BRS MLC K. Kavita will remain in Tihar Jail as the Delhi court extended the judicial custody in liquor policy case. Their custody has been increased till August 9 in CBI case. The custody has been increased till August 13 in Enforcement Directorate case. Meghalaya's Kasi Students Union KSU has given the Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC a 48-hour deadline to publish the marks of the MCS prelims examination. The organization also called for an independent investigation into the discrepancies in the recruitment process. The demand was raised after the Meghalaya student body voiced dissatisfaction with the clarification that MPSC had provided regarding the MCS prelims examination. The sixth session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly commenced today. On the floor of the House, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, who is also the in charge of finance, has presented budget estimates for the year 2024-2025 with gross expenditure of Rs 34,899 crores. Delivering his budget speech, N. Biren Singh said that the economy of state has been affected by unrest as it reduces revenue collection, increased expenditure on security and relief operation, inflation, difficulties in movement of goods and services, difficulties in implementation of projects and schemes, etc. With returning of normalcy, continuous efforts are given to recover the economy, N. Biren Singh added. Congress Member of Parliament Gaurav Gogoi strongly voiced his opposition to what he described as insensitive and cruel remarks made by BJP leaders during the budget discussion regarding the caste census. Highlighting the significance of the caste census for many communities in India, particularly those belonging to scheduled caste SC, scheduled tribe ST and other backward classes OBC, Gogoi criticized the BJP for mocking their demands. Newly appointed Governor of Manipur Lakshman Prasad Acharya took oath of office today in the Darbar Hall of the Raj Bhavan, Imphal. The oath of the newly appointed governor was administered by the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, Justice Siddharth Mridul. Acharya arrived in Imphal on July 30 yesterday to a warm reception by Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly T.H. Satyabrata Singh, various ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinay Joshi, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh and other senior officials at the Raj Bhavan. After the killing of Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh in Tehran, Iran's Ayatollah Ali Khamenei issued a threat to Israel which it called criminal and terrorist Zionist regime. He said that Israel has prepared the ground for harsh punishment for itself. We consider it our duty to seek revenge for his blood as Haniyeh was martyred in our territory, he added. India's 22-year-old shuttler Lakshya Sen defeated world number 4 Jonathan Christie 21-18, 21-12 in his last group stage match at Paris Olympics 2024. With this, Lakshya has qualified for the pre-quarterfinals. He won the match in 50 minutes. Lakshya won a total of 84 points and lost 63 points in the group stage. He had a points difference of plus 21.